Hello everyone, today we are going to walk through our game and discuss its highlights and functionalities alongside with its key features. But before, I would like to give some advice on how to actually run this game. After you open the terminal, you are highly advised by our team members that you select this terminal and drag it to the top side. This particularly makes the view better and makes all the components of the game run on full screen. Now let's go ahead and run our game. We will need to type in python main underscore function dot py. And as you can see, welcome page loaded. So for creating Minesweeper, we used a combination of curses, sets, and specific functions to store these values. Using curses, we printed out these blocks using Unicodes. When someone clicks a cell, if it's not a mine, the index of the clicked cell is stored in a set, and then the program gets the number that needs to be revealed from the randomly generated set. Additionally, because map_printing is refreshing after each click, the printMap function actually reads the values in the revealed cell and makes its design, so it is automatically designing the number. Flagging also works with this same principle. For that, we are using a set called flags to store its values and to call them. Now let's go ahead and start our game, and as you can see, game asks for our name, so let's go ahead and type our name in. And Minesweeper main menu loaded. In this menu, you are asked to select the difficulty level. So let's go ahead and choose easy mode for me to demonstrate the game to you. So in Minesweeper, our main goal is to find mines that are hidden in the cells, and for that we will have some clues that are also hidden in the cells. For instance, if I reveal this cell and it's not a mine, it will reveal a number, and this number represents the amount of mines that are hidden around the cell. For instance, if this is 0, then it means that there is no mine around, so I can safely reveal all of them. Also, we have flagging option. This is particularly useful when you are suspecting that this cell has a mine. You can just put a flag on it. So let's go ahead and continue our game until we lose or win. So for instance, if we go ahead and lose, the You Lost page will be appearing, and you will have possibilities to restart or select a new difficulty. So for this case, I'm going to go with easy again, and I'm going to actually pass the game. As you can see, we finished the game and revealed all of the cells that do not contain mine, and we won. Therefore, well done page has loaded, and we have two choices again. This is going to continue to the crossword part, which is going to be explained by my teammate Wilton.
Hi there, this is Wilton, and I will be explaining the game design of Crossword in detail. We are really into the menu of the Crossword game, where you will be able to see 4 difficulty level buttons, and in this demo video, I will first show you the extreme difficulty level. Storyline continues, and if you are disliking this design, you could use the skip. Okay, so as mentioned by both the storylines and the instructions here, we're actually using 2 kinds of comments for this game. One is the F function, which stands for finding clues, and the other one is the G function, which stands for guessing a character of a certain word. Anyway, let's see what's going on for this word. It's of a size that is less than normal or usual, so what do you think of this? G1S, which stands for you want to guess that the first grid actually contains the character S. So let's see if it's working. Yeah! So let me try to type the remaining words. So what if I type something wrong? For example, if I want to type G1A, so it will return that your guess is incorrect. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed the game design of Crossword, and now it's time for explaining the technical details. As for the UI, the fancy style for the Crossword title is being achieved by creating a variable called letter to LCII. As for the solution and answers list, they're going to store the information of the correct character behind each grid. And finally, the generation of map is mainly based on the AdWords function, which will try 300 and 1,000 times to make sure that we are actually having enough words to be generated, and also, in order to make our game more interesting, we want to make sure that each grid has a higher probability of containing words in both directions. So that's the algorithm behind. Thank you.